Fáilte Íomhánna, my name is Mr. O'Sullivan. Dán de Lara de Íomhánna. Ag deirán sean seo beag me ábalta, ó crocail na henlíse hiiscint, ó crocail na henlíse ósáid. Íomhánna an Dán. Sail, life. Nua aimsire, modern. Déanaid dermid we forget. Na rudí, the things. Timpeall oring, around us. Ag éirig, trying. Or nord, or retention. A haringt, to draw. Úsáideann sé, he uses. Frittal maltach, attractive language. Fósra, vegetation. Fuinseog trí hinne, an ash tree on fire. Fair glass, green grass. Scata nonini, a crowd of daisies. Sú talún, strawberry. Blá sa fork, a flower in the field. Ag mala fushoige, coaxing a lark. Scata quinini, a crowd of rabbits. An Lundov is a orgob, the blackbird and his golden beak. Lasar is a binnis, goldfinch and her sweetness. Nabacha, the bees. Ag irig oring, asking us. Arahurta, to take care of. And ishta me ábalta, ó crocail na henlíse hiiscint, ó crocail na henlíse ósáid. Sáliv.